This setup combines the reliability of traditional cable with the versatility of streaming. The key is using HDMI connections. Connect your Spectrum cable box to one of your TV's HDMI inputs, such as HDMI 1. Then connect your Fire TV stick or cube to another HDMI input, such as HDMI 2. Use your TV's input button to switch between live cable TV from Spectrum and streaming apps on your Fire TV. For voice control, Spectrum has partnered with Amazon, so you can use Alexa on your Fire TV to change channels and record shows on your Spectrum box. If you prefer a streamlined experience, the Spectrum TV app on Fire TV offers live TV streaming without needing a cable box, but this requires a stable internet connection of at least 25 Mbps for HD or 100 Mbps for 4K. To seamlessly switch between your Spectrum cable and Fire TV, use either your TV remote or a universal remote that supports both devices. You can even configure Fire TV's Live TV section to launch the Spectrum app for a unified experience. Remember, accessing live TV from Spectrum can be done in two ways, through the physical cable box or the Spectrum TV app. The app streams live channels over the internet, but needs a good connection. The future points toward boxless models, with Spectrum pushing app-based viewing. While physical boxes may decline, the hybrid approach offers flexibility. Experts recommend a stable internet connection and TVs with HDMI 2.1 for optimal 4K performance.